Welcome back, guys. It's happy to see you again. I'm Setum Damsana. One of the biggest problem many small YouTube channel owners have is finding searchable tags. Tags are very essential for growth of a YouTube channel because good tags are help our audience to find us easily. Therefore, using searchable tag is very important. There are so many methods to get tags. So, in today's video, I'll give you the best two methods to find searchable tags for your YouTube videos. The special thing is, both are totally free tools. First one is Rapid Tag Generator. Next, the second one is Social Blade Chrome extension. Important thing is to use this feature we should have the Chrome browser. Okay guys, let's start the video. First, open your web browser. Search rapid tags in your search bar. Click the first link in the results. To get tags, click this button. Now type your content title in here. Next, click the search button. Now the tags were generated. You can copy this tag by clicking here. Now is the second method. First, open your Chrome browser. Next, search for the web store. Click the first link in the results. In here, search for the Social Blade. Now click on this. Next, click this button and again click on this button. Now you will automatically open the sign in page. In here, you have to sign in with your email and password. I hope you guys can do it alone. After you registered, open your YouTube page. Next, search for a video related to your content. Next, go to the first video in the results. Now you can see the Social Blade extension is added to the side of the YouTube video. In here you can see the tags used for this video. Now you can copy these tags into your video. Okay guys, this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys learned something from me. And that's all. See you guys in next video. Goodbye.